Welcome to today's episode. We're diving into some of the best AI-driven apps and tools for lecturers, teachers, and trainers. These tools will help you enhance your teaching, engage your students, and streamline your workflow. First up, let's talk about content creation and presentation. Canva is a fantastic design platform with AI-driven templates and design suggestions. It allows you to create visually appealing presentations, infographics, and other teaching materials quickly and easily. Then there's Sway from Microsoft, another powerful presentation software that offers AI-driven design and content suggestions, enabling you to craft interactive and engaging presentations without needing advanced design skills. Next, we have lecture recording and transcription. Otter.ai is a powerful tool that provides automatic transcription of spoken content in real time, generating searchable transcripts of lectures. This makes it easier for students to review material. Another great tool is Panopto, a video platform designed for recording, live streaming, and managing educational videos. It facilitates lecture capture, ensuring that content is accessible for students who miss class or need to review. For student engagement and interaction, we have two standout tools. Mentimeter is an interactive presentation tool that includes real-time polling, quizzes, and Q&A sessions, engaging students actively during lectures and providing immediate feedback on their understanding. Kahoot is another excellent platform offering game-based learning through quizzes and interactive activities, making learning fun and interactive, thereby boosting student engagement and participation. When it comes to grading and assessment, there are some incredible AI tools to help you out. Gradescope is an AI-assisted grading tool that streamlines the grading process for assignments and exams, ensuring consistency, speeding up grading, and providing detailed analytics on student performance. Additionally, Turnitin is a well-known plagiarism detection and originality checking software that ensures academic integrity by analyzing student submissions for plagiarism and generating detailed originality reports. For course management, there are a couple of robust options. Canvas is a comprehensive learning management system, LMS, that offers AI-driven analytics and personalized learning pathways. It simplifies course management, grading, and student communication while providing insights into student performance and engagement. Similarly, Blackboard Learn offers tools for course management, content delivery, and student assessment, providing a comprehensive platform for managing all aspects of a course, including analytics to monitor student progress. In the realm of personalized learning and tutoring, we have some excellent platforms. Coursera for Educators enables you to create and deliver online courses with AI-driven recommendations, allowing you to supplement your teaching with online content and provide personalized learning pathways for students. Smart Sparrow is an adaptive learning platform that personalizes educational content based on student performance, offering tailored learning experiences to meet individual student needs and enhance learning outcomes. For research and information management, check out these tools. Mendeley is a reference manager and academic social network that utilizes AI-driven research discovery to help you organize research, collaborate with peers, and stay updated with the latest developments. EndNote offers similar functionalities with AI-powered search and organization features, streamlining the process of managing and citing research sources to make research more efficient. For communication and collaboration, two tools stand out. Slack is a collaboration tool that includes AI-powered search and integration capabilities, facilitating communication and collaboration among lecturers, students, and administrative staff. Microsoft Teams provides a comprehensive environment for communication and collaboration, offering chat, video meetings, file storage, and app integrations to enhance teamwork and resource sharing. Lastly, in data analysis and insights, we have some powerful tools. Tableau is a data visualization and business intelligence tool that allows you to analyze student performance data and visualize trends for informed decision-making. IBM Watson Analytics offers advanced data analysis and cognitive computing capabilities, providing insights from educational data to help you tailor your teaching strategies based on analytics. These AI-driven apps and tools significantly enhance various aspects of your responsibilities as a lecturer, teacher, or trainer, from content creation and student engagement to grading and research management. This ultimately leads to a more efficient and effective educational experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell for more awesome content and information related to AI. See you next time.